Lastly, we discussed the fostering geometric thinking. The four types are reasoning with relationships, generalizing geometric ideas, investigating invariance, and balancing exploration and reflection. So these four things are really great to help us as curriculum developers and make sure that we can create lessons and activities that involve all of these. I thought Wiles said it perfectly in his article, Folding Corners of the Habits of Mind. He said they can also serve as an even deeper purpose. By focusing on geometric habits of minds, our students not only have opportunities to explore important geometric ideas, but also learn how to test the ideas, make conjectures, pose new questions, and feel the thrill of uncovering relationships that appear seemingly out of nowhere. So that again goes off of what I feel like I've been repeating all semester long, is that we want to build those deeper connections, or have those students build those deeper connections in geometry.